Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am making a new video on basic concept of organic chemistry. So let's start with the organic chemistry discussion. So what is organic chemistry? Like the branch of the chemistry where it discusses about the hydrocarbon or hydrocarbon derivatives. That branch is called organic chemistry branch. So basically hydrocarbons are like carbon chain compound. So normally the organic compounds are consist of carbon and hydrogen. So if you take carbon and if you put hydrogen, each carbon has 4 valency. So this is an organic compound. This compound is called methane. But those compounds also can have, other than the hydrogen, it can have oxygen, it can have nitrogen, it can have phosphorus, it can have halogen. Halogen means chloro, bromo, iodine. So organic compound always should have the carbon and hydrogen mainly, and along with that it can have also those atoms to form the organic compound. In 1808, the Swedish scientist Berzelius initially defined the compounds which are available from the living organism. Those are called organic compound, and the compounds which are available from the non-living organism, non-living source, along as well as the mineral source, those are called inorganic compound. In 1815, Berzelius also gave a theory that the organic compound are found from the living organism by a mysterious power or mysterious energy from those organic or living organism. Those organic compound produced in the living organism by a mysterious power that is called vital force theory. Till that time, people believed that organic compound only produced in the animal or plant. 1828, Friedrich Wöhler discovered that organic compound also can be produced from the inorganic compound while he was heating the ammonium cyanide. So in that case, it was producing the urea, which is an organic compound, and you know urea is found in the urine of the animals. So from that, he discovered that organic compound also can be produced synthetically in the laboratory, or also it can be produced from the inorganic compound. So that's why the Friedrich Wöhler, he is called father of the organic chemistry. So basically his reaction was, he was doing a reaction in the lab with the ammonium chloride plus lead cyanide. So you form ammonium cyanide plus lead chloride. And then he heated this ammonium cyanide, which converted to urea. And this is an organic compound, and that's why the Friedrich Wöhler is called the father of organic chemistry branch or organic chemistry. In this world, billions of compound are organic compound. And why? How it is happening? What is the main reason behind that? So, main reason behind this is like catenation property of the carbon. What is catenation? So you know that carbon has four bond, like four valency, and that's why it can produce four bond, and by this way one carbon can form another bond with another carbon, so another carbon form bond another carbon, so by this way carbon can increase the chain length. So this property is called catenation property. So Latin word catena means the chain. So that means carbon can make bigger chain. So this property is called catenation property. That's why carbon can make different kind of carbon length. So this is like open chain. So carbon can also make cyclic chain. But always remember that carbon should have like four bonds. So this carbon 2, 3, 4. This carbon 2, 3, 4. This carbon 2, 2, 3, 4. And also you can make carbon 4 carbon. So like this. And it can also form cyclic pentane. And also it can form cyclohexane. So this carbon. So for this property of the carbon, it can produce many compounds, billions of compounds. That's why the number of organic compounds in this world is like more than billions for their catenation property. Before understanding this catenation property and organic compound, we should understand nicely and properly the hybridization of the carbon orbital. So in that case, you will understand how carbon can make a new bond by doing the hybridization. So let's please see my next video on hybridization I'm going to make, and that will help you to understand. Bye now.